Hello friends, welcome back. Today we can combine mathematics with arts. AIPAN is the traditional art form of Uttarakhand. This art form has great social, cultural and religious importance. Today we can discuss the relation of this art form with mathematics, the queen of all sciences. This design seems to be very complicated, but today we are going to draw this using simple straight lines. In fact, we are going to draw circles using straight lines. First, I will explain the method using this graph paper so that you can understand better. As we proceed, we can see the mathematical concepts involved in drawing. Draw x-axis and y-axis on the middle of the paper. Then we draw a square like this. Here it is 14 centimeter long. Now our square is divided into 4 quadrants. Mark points 1 centimeter apart on each side of the square. Now, in the first quadrant, each point is named from 1 to 7. We do the same for the other side also. The first point is named as 0. Now we draw lines joining 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and so on. As we draw these lines, do you notice something? The point of intersection of these lines are tracing a curve, and that is called the locus of the point of intersection of the straight line. Here, that locus is a circle. If we repeat the same for all the quadrants, we will be completing this circle. So now we are drawing a circle through straight lines. And we have learned one new concept also called locus. A curve or other figure formed by all points satisfying a particular relation is called a locus. For example, circle is a locus of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point, and that point is called the center of the circle. Now we draw the diagonals of this square. Keeping these diagonals as the new axis, we draw another square with the same measurements. We mark 2 points at a distance of 7 units from the x-axis. Here we remember the fact that at least 2 measurements or 2 points are needed to draw a straight line. We complete the square and do all those procedure as we did for the first square, so that we get a nice circle and a nice design for our AIPAN. Lines have a special significance in AIPAN. They represent continuity. In mathematics also, we consider lines as those which can be extended to both sides. When it is ended with a dot, it represents completeness. In AIPAN, every line is ended with a dot, which is considered to be auspicious. Odd number of lines are used in AIPAN designs, since even number are considered to be complete in themselves, and odd numbers are incomplete and seems open-ended, which symbolizes continuity of life. AIPAN art is special as it is done on empty walls, which are brick red in color called geru. The actual art is done with a paste made of rice flour. Today, we can do our project of art integrated learning using this red chart paper and white gel pen. The links of the products used here are given in the description below. Two squares of side 20 centimeters are already drawn on the paper. Now, we can make the markings for a circle. Before doing that, we can highlight the dots, as dots are very significant in AIPAN as in maths. Dot signifies completeness and life, as in mathematics. Every point in the plane or space can be represented by a dot. The art of drawing AIPAN starts with a dot. In mathematics, center or origin where the axes meet is the main point of reference. Now we have completed the part of circle in the first quadrant. Quickly, we can complete the whole circle in the same manner. Now we do the same for the second square also. The point of intersection of the axis forms the center of the circle, and the axis forms the diameter for the circle. Now we want to draw a star inside this circle. For that, we need two lines which are of equal length. Here, we are using the concept that chords which are equidistant from the center of the circle are equal in length. So, we are marking 2 points 5 centimeters from the center of the circle and then draw a line. These two chords are exactly of the same length. Now, make a triangle as shown and complete the star. To make our design more beautiful, we are drawing parallel lines 1 centimeter apart as shown. So, this is our beautiful AIPAN art. I've created two borders on the either side of the design using parallel lines. We have created this beautiful art using the magic of mathematics. Thus, AIPAN as an art form has much more to it than just a piece of beautiful artwork that pleases our eyes. It is very much related to mathematics and thus to our life.